Hi friends, how are you? I hope all are good, right? One important session, friends, especially for you. IDBI Manipal 2021 expected paper. See, friends, I was given IDBI Manipal 2018. In between, I was given some examination, friends. So, as per my experience, friends, today I am going to share what is the expected paper 2021 in Manipal examination. See, friends, after you written September 4 examination, sir, what you said, same paper came to the examination. You only tell to me, okay? See friends, I am going to share my experience. What is the expert paper 2021? Hardly friends, another 7 days only there examination. You focus friends, what I am saying this session, you focus that area, you definitely create this 100%, you definitely create to the examination friends. See friends, in that IDB Manipal 2021 examination, four section will be available, right? See friends, first section general economic banking, second one reasoning, third one quant, fourth one English. See friends, every section wise I am going to explain what are the things you going to focus within this 7 days. Okay. See friends, general economic banking total marks 60 marks. Okay. In 60 marks paper friends, you should focus appointments. These appointments also recently some finance department appointments, okay, in state appointments, okay, central appointment. You should focus that areas only, okay, appointments and budget friends, especially budget in this paper friends. You get 3 to 4 marks definitely friends. Budget 3 to 4 marks definitely get. Okay, in budget also friends, you should focus what are the in budget how much amount provide for railway department, agriculture, health department, okay, especially in COVID-19 friends, government of India some amount provide for especially for COVID, okay, COVID-19. So you focus that areas, okay, and especially in public sector bank, recent government of India in budget some public sector bank announced some budget 20,000 crores budget. So you can focus that areas only, okay. And Tokyo friends, especially in Tokyo friends, we got one gold medal, right? So one question definitely in that paper friend, that is 100%, okay. You focus budget in Tokyo Olympics, okay, where the Tokyo Olympics held, future of Tokyo Olympic where to held, so that area you should focus, okay. Cabinet reshuffle friends, recently some cabinet minister reshuffle, right? So you should focus that areas. Some cabinet minister change, so they definitely ask for the where the cabinet minister constitutions, okay, particular cabinet minister where he belongs to, so that type of question they definitely ask friends, okay. And comes to governors friends, some states recently 4 to 5 governors changed, okay. Haryana, Mizoram, some governors changed. You should focus that area, okay. And chief minister also friend, recently Karnataka chief minister changed, so some chief minister and Uttarakhand chief minister, some chief minister changed. So you should focus that areas, okay. And small finance banks. See friends, in especially in small finance banks, recently in Maharashtra, some small finance banks cancelled by RBI. So you should focus that area. So what is a small finance bank? Where is the small finance headquarters? So you should focus that area, my friends. Because in small finance bank you get two to three questions definitely you will get friends. Okay, and government schemes, state government schemes, central government schemes, so it is related to agriculture schemes, okay. We spoke about that one. And private bank schemes, recently HDFC, ICICI, Axis Bank friends, some new schemes launched. We should focus that new schemes, okay. And state news friends, what is the state news, which is state launched festivals, especially festivals friends, state festivals, some states launched new schemes, okay. You focus that schemes, okay. Banking terms friends, especially banking terms, you get 2 to 3 marks friends in the banking terms, okay. What is a QIP, what is a Subfaction Act, what is a NPCA full form, okay, what is NBFC, okay. So that type of abbreviations they definitely ask you friends. So you focus at abbreviations, okay. And bank headquarters friends and taglines. You should focus bank headquarters and tagline. You should focus, okay. Another one thing, RBI news, okay. RBI is which bank RBI find the banks, okay. Some RBI news there friends. So you should focus area. And another one thing friends, IDBI bank is the owner is LIC, right? So they definitely ask LIC is MD and CEO, okay. So how much is share in IDBI bank LIC share? So they definitely ask the LIC and IDBI synergy. What is the synergy between the LIC and IDBI? So that related questions you definitely ask to. You should focus LIC MD and CEO, LIC headquarters, IDBI headquarters, IDBI MD and CEO. Okay, how much is share right now LIC in IDBI bank? So you should focus that area. Okay, so in that area, friends, you get 60 marks from this areas only. Okay, you don't go any other areas, friends. And another one thing, starting means you should focus 2-3 questions they definitely ask you. Okay, starting 2-3 questions they ask you. You should focus the starting questions. Okay, these are general economic banking, friends. You should focus this area means you definitely get 60 marks from these areas only. Okay, these are areas, friends. So comes to the reasoning. Reasoning 60 marks, right? See, friends, in reasoning you should focus some areas, friends. What I am saying, the puzzles only definitely come to the examination, friends. See, friends, first thing I am going to tell the puzzles, friends. What is the puzzle you should focus means? South to north based puzzles, friends. South based north based puzzles there. So in between, in 10 members puzzles, friends. So north facing 5 members, south facing 5 members. So you should focus that puzzle. Okay. Another one is friends, linear puzzle. In linear puzzles, uncertain numbers. So uncertain numbers, they definitely ask in examination, friends. Recent examination, most of the recent examination, they asking linear puzzles, uncertain numbers. They're not mentioning the numbers. So uncertain puzzles, you should focus that puzzle. Okay. And circle based puzzles, friends. Circle based some inner space, outside puzzles, based circles. So you should focus circle based puzzles. Okay. And floor based puzzles. Floor based puzzle, especially for some vacant puzzle will be there, friends. Suppose some 8 floors will be there, right? In that one floor is vacant floor. So that type of puzzle they definitely ask in examination, friends. Okay. And box based puzzles. Box based puzzles. Okay, these are 4 puzzles in examination definitely, friends. These 4 puzzles definitely come to the examination. What is the first puzzles? South north based puzzle, one puzzle. Okay, linear puzzle, another one puzzle. Circle based puzzles, 4 based puzzles, and box based puzzles. Okay, these areas they definitely you get these the areas only you get the puzzles, friends. Okay, come after puzzles, friends. Which area you going to focus means syllogisms. Syllogisms also you should focus a few puzzles. Okay, some not a few, only few. That type of syllogisms there you should focus that area only. And inequality, friends, you should focus neither either cases. Inequal they somewhat they confuse for us. Okay, so you should focus either neither cases. Some equal cases will be there. You should focus either neither cases. Okay. But and another thing, blood relations, distance directions, vote based number swap. You know, friends, they given some alpha bits, right? So 5 votes they will given. So one letter is preceding and succeeding. So in between from letters, how many letters will be there? So that type of okay, they will ask that type of questions. Okay, alphanumeric. You know, friends, alphanumeric. They will succeeding, preceding. Okay, the second to the left, third to the left. How many members is there? Okay, that type of alphanumeric you should focus, friends. Okay, this is the thing. And another one thing, friends, IDPA bank they definitely ask the critical based reasoning. Critical based reasoning means decision making and cause and effect. Simply, friends, they given 2 statements. Okay, in that 2 conclusions they will given. So in that which one is the conclusion? Okay, they will ask the conclusion. Another one thing, friends, they given one statement and then 2 conclusions. So which one is the cause and effect? So cause and effect, inference, and decision making. Okay, that type of critical reasoning they definitely ask, friends. You should focus that areas. In Banker Center 247, in that you can available from this critical based puzzle available. You just to type in YouTube the cause and effect related. You will definitely get in YouTube. Okay, these are areas, friends. If you focus these areas, means you get 60 marks from these areas only. Okay, don't go other areas. This is enough, friends. Okay, come to the quant, friends. Count 40 marks, right? In quant means you should focus equations, friends. Equations, 5 equations. They definitely ask in examination. And number series. In that number series, friends, missing number series is there. Wrong number series is there. So you should focus two types of number series. Okay, series and missing. And DI, friends, table DI there and circular DI is there. They are not they will not ask that much difficult, friends. Some average level only they will ask, but you should focus some difficult level. Then only you easy to clear this DI levels also. Okay. and board problems, friends. You know this train problems, so speed and distance, okay, and pipe and streams, okay, age based problems, okay. You should focus that board problems, okay. These are quant, friends. Quant is easy only. You will get 40 marks in this areas only. Equations, number series. DA means they will ask definitely two to three DAs. They definitely ask in examination. Okay. Remaining questions, word problem. They will ask in word problem. Okay. Come to the English, friends. You should focus error correction. They definitely ask error correction. 10 questions in an examination, friends. Corrections, close test. They definitely ask 7 to 8 marks in close test. Okay. Filling the blanks. They will definitely ask you 4 to 5 questions filling the blanks. Okay. RC reading comprehension. They definitely ask 10 questions in the reading comprehension. Sentence improvement. Okay. And where are reasonable. So this is the areas enough, friends. English error corrections, close test, fill in the blanks, and RC and sentence improvement and where reasonable. So this is the areas enough for this upcoming IDB Manipal 2021 examination, friends. See, friends. Finally, I am giving to the conclusion is this year paper easy to moderate, friends. Definitely easy to moderate only. But point is, you should maintain the accuracy, friends. Whatever you did in the examination, uh, at least you attempted 120 questions or 100 questions. But you should maintain accuracy means you will get additional marks. So, in case you should maintain accuracy, friends, then you easy to clear this examination. Okay, this is a strategy, friends. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment section. I will give reply for this any query in that between which area you can focus or which area you can have in doubt means just mention in comment section. I will give reply for it. This is a paper level, friends. 100%. These areas only you get the examination. Okay, and I'm given sure for this. These areas only you get this upcoming IDBI Manipal 2021 examination. So very soon I am going to upload IDBI executive examination also, expected paper also. So be in touch with my channel, friends. If you are new for my channel, do subscribe my channel for upcoming latest updates, friends. Thank you and Jai Hind, friends.